Lead-acid batteries are clumsy and old. Now the advantages to lithium are many, and most of you will know that. And the lithium generation of batteries is just exploding in the last little while, and many of them are in this Group 27 form factor. There's lots and lots of batteries out there to choose from. I think this is a particularly nice one for a bunch of reasons that I'll get into. But general opinions about moving to lithium. Is it time? Is it the right time to do it? And the other thing is that it is ridiculously light, and which of course is one of the major selling points to lithium iron phosphate batteries. It's 100 amp hour, which is tons of power. This is good for 100% voltage right down to almost drained. Anyway, we won't get into too many of the specs right now, but the truth is I really love it.